A man enters CVS and conceals numerous items inside his backpack, plus a pair of socks in his pocket. Within a few minutes, CVS employees see him and call the police. But the arresting officer will quickly learn he's gonna need some backup.
Hello. What's going on?
So I caught him on camera putting a lot of stuff on the backpack. He was like in his backpack, and now he's trying to hide his comment.
Okay.
So yeah, I caught him on camera. So
Okay.
okay.
What's up, man? What's going on? Nothing. Where you going?
117 from Echo
Home?
26.
Okay, what do you got?
Dumb shit.
Okay, step over here.
Yeah, I got
Step over here. Step over here.
I'll drop it off, drop it off.
It doesn't matter now, man. You have an ID on you?
117 out of Glen Oaks.
I have no idea.
Okay. Well, you have an ID on you?
No.
No? Where are you going? Where are you
Come on,
going?
man.
Where are you going?
Come on, man.
Brawl, stop fighting. Fucking resist, man. Stop fucking resisting, man. Stop, man. Stop fucking resisting. Stop. Stop.
Stop, dude.
Stop, dude.
Stop. Stop. Stop, bro. Stop. Stop, bro. Fucked up. I fucked up.
Kick his legs. What's that?
Kick his legs out. Kick his legs out.
Good job. Stand on units, fine. Give me your leg.
I'll go.
Hey, put your arms in here.
Okay.
Arms behind your back.
Okay, let me just get up.
Bro, arm.
Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting anymore. Okay. I'm not resisting anymore.
Western Park Road, Bravo 6 with 361.
I'm not resisting anymore. Okay, let me just get up.
Arm.
Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting anymore. Okay. I'm not resisting anymore.
Western Park Road, Bravo 6 with 361.
I'm not resisting anymore. Just.
We're in the vestibule.
I'm not resisting anymore. I'm just trying to get some air.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get some air.
Alright,
That's it.
get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
I can't, bro, because
Get on your stomach.
Wait up, I
Do
got-
it.
I got a fucked up stomach. Bro.
Okay, well you're getting on your stomach.
You got a taser on you?
No, don't take
You got a
it.
taser on you?
No. Get on your stomach.
I will.
On your stomach.
Give me your fucking
Hey, wait
taser.
up, bro. You just
Give me
hit
your
me.
fucking taser.
You just see me, brother.
Fuck up, man.
Turn around. You just see me, bro. You just fucking hit me, bro. Come on, man. Come on, guys. Stop. Stop, guys.
Give me your arm.
Stop.
Give me your arm.
Dude, you're gonna get fucking tased, man. You wanna get fucking tased or no?
You're gay. You're done.
Why y'all fucking me up like that, though, bro?
CVS, but he's fighting with officers on scene.
Taser.
We got him.
Bravo 65 and 33 en route. Just one custody.
Bravo 2, we're good.
For one in custody. Units responding to the CVS and case local.
Get up.
CVS and case local.
Get up.
Let me get up.
What do you got?
One Echo 27. Can you please tell me who the total is that came to Burger King?
Kick your legs out. Get up.
Hitting some more. Yeah, bro, you got me out, man. You got me out right now.
Red for 27. Go ahead. Be clear from
What's in there? What's in your pants, dude?
domestic.
Shorts again?
No, yeah, your gas shorts.
Oh, no, they're my socks.
No, there's something hard in there.
Socks, dude.
Does that sound like socks?
That's socks, dude. Look, pull it out. Pull it all out. It's socks. I swear to God. That's it, man. Can you reach yourself up?
The fuck you talking about? Huh? Yeah, from you, dumbass. Don't worry, you'll
Let
get
go
the
of your shirt.
She had me reach it.
Okay.
I was just trying to get away.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
That's all I had, man. I ain't got anything else.
Come on, I got it. Let's go.
Are you in 5 or what?
I'm in 5, yeah.
What's up?
Are you taking him? Here, put him in 5. I'm in 5, yeah.
What's up?
Are you taking him?
Put him in 5. Put him in 5.
"39-year-old Torres thought he could hide his dirt from the law, but the next man took his distaste for police directly to their front door. Officers in Illinois have been dealing with the little flower pot issue where dirt appears on the outside floor of the police station. After multiple instances, they review the CCTV camera and quickly realize it's not an animal, but a human.
What's up, my man? How are you? Good, you? Good. Take your book bag off just a minute. I need to talk to you.
I'm not in trouble, am I?
Well, you tell me.
I should be.
Put the book bag down.
Yes, sir.
What's the deal with you throwing the dirt up against the police department this morning, tearing the flower pot up?
I wasn't trying to do anything wrong.
Well, why did you do it?
I was just being silly. I'll go clean it up.
Okay.
Yes, sir. May I clean it up?
No.
No.
You going to jail?
Am
Put
I?
your hands behind your back. Yes, sir. It's criminal trespass. You can't tear up the city's property, Nick.
Well, I did. I wasn't trying to hurt nothing.
Well, you was right there on camera. I mean, you know there's a camera right there.
Well, I wasn't trying to hurt nothing, sir.
You got any weapons or anything in this bag? Any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Where's that camouflage hat you was wearing this morning?
In my bag.
When did you was wearing shorts this morning, where they at?
In my bag.
Okay. Nothing gonna poke me or stick me?
No, sir.
Just napkins?
No, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
How long I go to jail for?
Well, it's just a criminal trespass warrant for tearing up that stuff.
What is that, a misdemeanor or something?
Misdemeanor.
So how long you got to stay for that?
Well, I don't know, Nick.
Well, the least possible would be good.
Do what?
I said the least possible would be good. I appreciate it. I didn't mean to do nothing bad.
Yeah, but you did. How many times have you done it? I've seen it's been tore up when I come in before, but then I thought an animal was doing it, and then I come in there and I'll be dang if it ain't you. I didn't think me and you had any beef. I don't understand why you'd want to do that.
When I'd been here before, you had told me to do that, sir.
I told you to throw the dirt up against the police department?
You said put some dirt out in front of it. Yes, sir. The last time I was here. Yes, sir. I appreciate y'all. I didn't mean to.
Man, you got all kind of daggum jackets on.
Nick, I'm just gonna pat you down, all right?
Yes, sir. Yeah. I wasn't trying to harm nothing, get in the way of anything.
Nothing gonna poke me, right, Nick?
No, sir. I don't have anything illegal, nothing like that.
What did you do with your book bag last time you went to jail? Did you take it with you?
Yeah.
So I come in this morning and my administrative assistant's like, somebody threw dirt all over the front doors and out the flower pot and all. And I'm like, had to have been an animal. I mean, but there's a camera. There's a camera. There's a camera right there, you know what I mean, looking right on it. And so I go back and play the camera, and about 6:50 this morning, he walks by, just starts throwing dirt out of the flower pot against the front door.
It was you.
And I'm like, for real?
Well, the best one was what he did to him on the interstate. He goes, I was looking for a place to stop.
Yeah, he told you. I told him he could walk to the bank down the interstate, huh?
Yeah. The governor told him.
He said you told him to.
He just told me, he said, well, you told me last time to throw some dirt in front of the PD.
You want that or we good?
Nah, we good. I got everything. Lord have mercy.
The 39-year-old Illinois man was charged with burglary, retail theft, and resisting or obstructing a police officer causing injury. 10 years prior to this CVS footage back in 2014, Mr. Torres also stole from a merchant and had very similar charges, and on that case was convicted guilty on those charges and as a result spent 198 days in jail. For this case, there weren't any details available, and all suspects are considered innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. For the police department flower pot dirt thrower, he ended up pleading guilty for criminal trespass, and as a result of his actions, spent 19 days in county jail. Let me know your honest thoughts on these cases down below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.
Stop. Stop, bro. Fucked up. I fucked up, bro. I'm just trying to get some air. Sure? Yeah, I'm just trying to get some air. All right.
You tell me.
I should be.
Put the book bag down.
Yes, sir.
What's the deal with you throwing the dirt up against the police department this morning? Tearing the flower pot up.
I wasn't trying to do anything wrong.
Well, why did you do it?
I was just being silly. I'll go clean it up.
What's going on? Nothing. Where are you going?
Home.